Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop Discord from opening on startup on Windows 11 or any Windows. So let's get started. First of all, go to the search option and search here to Task Manager. Click on it. Now showing here to all apps. Click on to startup app, and then showing here to all startup app. Select Discord. My Discord is enabled. Just click on to disable and then click on disable, then successfully stop Discord from opening on a startup on Windows. So that's it. That's how you can do it.